Welcome back to my channel AutoKiddo. Today, we are going to talk about the 2025 Suzuki Every, a compact and practical minivan that has been a favorite for businesses and families alike. If you are looking for a fuel-efficient, spacious, and reliable vehicle, the Suzuki Every might be the perfect choice for you. Let's dive into its design, performance, features, and overall practicality. Starting with the exterior design, the 2025 Suzuki Every retains its signature boxy shape, which maximizes interior space while maintaining a compact footprint. The front end features a modern grille, sleek LED headlights, and a redesigned bumper that gives it a fresh and stylish look. The large windshield and wide windows provide excellent visibility, making city driving much easier. The side profile is simple yet functional, with sliding doors on both sides for easy access, especially in tight parking spots. At the back, you get vertical tail lights and a tall rear hatch, making loading and unloading cargo effortless. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Every is powered by a 660cc 3-cylinder engine, designed for maximum fuel efficiency. It produces around 48 to 52 HP, which is perfect for city driving and light commercial use. The engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual or ACVT automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and hassle-free driving. With its fuel efficiency of around 20 to 25 kmpl, the Suzuki Every remains one of the most economical vehicles in its class. The interior design focuses on practicality and comfort. Despite its compact size, the Every offers a spacious cabin with ample headroom and legroom. The dashboard is minimalist yet functional, featuring a digital instrument cluster and a touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth and smartphone connectivity. The air conditioning system is powerful, ensuring a comfortable ride in all weather conditions. The rear seats are foldable, allowing for flexible cargo and passenger configurations. Whether you need to transport goods or accommodate passengers, the Suzuki Every adapts to your needs effortlessly. In terms of safety features, Suzuki has equipped the Every with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, a reverse camera, and parking sensors to enhance driving confidence. Some higher-end variants may also come with lane departure warning and collision mitigation systems, making it a safer option for urban commuting. With its compact dimensions, excellent fuel economy, spacious interior, and practical features, the 2025 Suzuki Every is an ideal choice for businesses, small families, and city drivers who need an efficient and reliable minivan. It remains one of the best options for those looking for affordability without compromising on quality and utility. What are your thoughts on the new Suzuki Every? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoKiddo for more car reviews. Stay tuned for the next video.